don't keep the YouTube channel name long. It's difficult for your audience to remember with so many YouTube channels around. Second thing is to try to convey what your channel is with channel name. If possible, it could be your name. As an example, it could be a name with vlog as an extension. And business, then you can tell what it is. It should clearly communicate to the audience. That's what my experience is. Give name to your brand channel, enter the handle, and once the setup is done, then to transfer, you will come here, click, and then do a transfer like this. Many open personal YouTube channel and then only realize later that it was better to have a brand YouTube channel. Both of them are absolutely free when it comes to brand channel. It allows you to have multiple owner and you can transfer ownership when you want. And whether you're an individual creator or a company, you can have this brand channel for free. When I was starting my YouTube journey a few years back, I had started with personal channel, and at this point they had few restrictions, but now except this multiple ownership part, remaining thing is possible with personal account. If someone is starting today, I would highly recommend you to have this brand account. If you already have a YouTube channel and you don't know if it is personal or a brand, just click on the link. The link will also be there on the description, and you will get to know like this. If you have a brand channel, you will see the names of brand channel, what you have, or else you have a personal YouTube channel. Now that you know that your channel is personal, if you want to convert your personal YouTube channel into brand channel, it's easy. It's a two-step process. So in the first step, you see, this is my personal YouTube channel, Canada Tried and Tested, with the same name. And here it shows no subscriber because I moved all my content from here to this brand channel, Canada Tried and Tested. So first step, what you need to do is to create a brand channel. And to do that, once you click here, again, the link will be there in the description. You will come here, and when it comes to naming YouTube channel, treat this as a brand. First thing, don't keep the YouTube channel name long. It's difficult for your audience to remember with so many YouTube channels around. Second thing is to try to convey what your channel is with channel name. If possible, it could be your name. As an example, it could be a name with vlog as an extension. And business, then you can tell what it is. It should clearly communicate to the audience. That's what my experience is. And secondly, if you're not sure what brand name to go with, let me show you a tool where you will get this to create for free. This website is called Namelix. You just enter the keyword and click on generate. Then once you're here, you can keep it at auto, or you can go and define details. Once this is done, click next. Then you make a selection from here and click next. Then with the brand info, if you want to give some more feed, you can do that. And you see, in no time, you have a name suggestion right in front of you. So this is one way. ChatGPT is also a good tool to try to come with name. I kind of like this Gopinomics, and you can see here, this is also available. That is domain. So with this, I will come to website namechecker.com, enter the brand name. What it will do is it will go and verify if this name exists anywhere else. And once I confirm that, at least Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest, like whichever social media you want to be on, including LinkedIn, whether this name already exists or not. I don't want duplicacy. And this will give consistency all across social media, and it's easier for your audience to remember that just one name to reach you everywhere. Next thing is to make sure that you have this brand name all across social media. And even if you're not posting anything, just go grab these, have it with you. And the next step is to have domain name. For this, you can come to website like GoDaddy, which gives you domain, and enter the domain you want. Here in my case, I'm entering gopinomics.com, and then search for domain. You see here the exact match is available. So first thing I would do is just go and grab this, as I'm getting at a discounted rate. And not just that, you can see here This shows that the average sale price for this kind of domain is much more. So if I have to go and sell this online, I might get this amount later. Lots of ifs and buts, but it's good to have. Give name to your brand channel, enter the handle, and once the setup is done, then to transfer, you will come here, click, and then do a transfer like this. Once you do that, it's going to take few minutes and everything will be done without you losing anything. Your videos, its view, your subscriber will move to this new account, accept, like, and comments. Once this transfer is complete, now you will have your brand channel